In this video, I will show you how to fix AMD Timeout Has Occurred error in Windows 10 or 11. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, the first thing that you can do is to go ahead and run System File Checker. So to do that, you need to go ahead and open Command Prompt on your device as an administrator. Head over into the Windows Start menu and then go ahead and search for CMD or Command Prompt and then click on this Run as Administrator button. Now in here, go ahead and enter SFC /scan now. Now hit on enter after that. Now after you do this, go ahead and tweak Windows power settings. So to do that, go ahead and open Control Panel on your device and then head over into the power options. So click on System and Security and then inside it, you'll find power options. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and set to high performance or create a custom plan. Disable PCI Express and then click on Link State Power Management. Now, after you set this up, go ahead and check for overheating or hardware issues. Monitor GPU temps using tools like HW Monitor or MSI Afterburner, and then clean dust from fans and ensure proper airflow. And the last thing that you can do is to go ahead and roll back to a stable driver version. So to do this, you need to go ahead and close this tab and then open the device manager and then head over to properties, head over to driver and then click on rollback driver. And that is how you can basically fix AMD Timeout Has Occurred error in Windows 10 or 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.